a nice sort of backwards pyramid sort of thing. Yeah, just about. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got just enough. There we go. So now it's like a little V sort of thing, or probably a logo is shaped like that. Like I think like the Telemundo logo, that Spanish television show channel thing. Get that nice and roaring. Yeah. Oh my God! It's happening! It's happening! I mean, it's just something really rare. Oh my God, summer rain. I can dance to this. Boop 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 boop. Okay, better hide under a tree. I don't want to get soaked. Oh my God, something interesting happened. And it does look like, oh yeah, now we're back up to like 2 hours of dusk. Yeah, summer is certainly ending. Yeah, this is some torrential rain. Oh boy. Better hide under tree. Wow, this is some freaking nature kind of thing. I tell you what. This is about to rot. Do. This is stale. You know what? I think I'll even make I'll make some. Well, one set. Oh my God, what happened there? Oh, I got spooked. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a lot of rain. That's a lot of rain. Rain, rain, rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Hello there, Rex. And the other 3 people watching. Pretty cool. Got some meaty stew. You get to sit back. And as quickly as it started, the rain is not really going away, but it's not quite as harsh as it was a few seconds ago, like half a minute ago. I guess I might make a highlight out of this. Like I'll make a highlight out of this, and I guess the boss battle, but like boss fight that is coming eventually. The question is what to put in the middle. I guess maybe I could do like some Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Don't think I might stream it, but because I am getting a bit tired here. It's going on like the stream is going on like 2 hours. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room. There's like 4 slots, I guess. 4 slots total. So there's a couple more, you know. Okay, time for the new one. You know, this guy is like getting really hungry. I don't want him to die. Say something. I'm giving up on you. There we go. Don't have to be hungry much longer. I don't want to deal with another corpse on my doorstep or whatever. Well, back to the drawing board or whatever. Oh, those stinger, I don't care. Can I put it? No. I'll just throw it away. Man, it's... oh yeah, because it just rained. It looks really weird out here, I tell you what. Oh man. There's no password, but the name of the server. I have it on. I think I have it on. Yeah, on the name of the stream. So yeah, that is Summer Chillin'. Cause you know, with all the stuff I got here, we chillin'. You know, for reals, we chillin'. Better nudge this guy a little closer to the fire pit and the tree. Mr. Tree. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll make a highlight of this. Because, pretty funny. Oh, it's hound's time. Hound time. Hound time, hound time, hound time, hound time. Here's the hounds, they never fail to get in my face and make me annoyed. When they come, they make me want to yell, hounds! Oh, and some of these grasses. Oh, well, that grass. Whatever. Oh, I get it. Okay, yeah, defeated by me because I picked it. Yeah, come on over, hounds. Oh my god, that. Oh my god. Oh yeah, some of them went for him, huh? Well, what do you know? Alright, you know what? I'll just make it a difficulty stipulation. Just hang around with the freaking dead guy who picked up a bunch of rocks, because there's nothing better to do, really. I mean, I'm the one taking care of the things that need taking care of, you know? I kind of want to grab one of these bomber goops. I could hang out by that lightning rod, you know, but I don't feel like it. And also, it doesn't keep me cool. Oh yeah, I should probably, where's this guy's thing? No, not that thing. There you go. Yeah. Keep cool. And the straw hat too, might as well. To keep cool. Is that UAK? I don't know. It doesn't seem to be Rex. Oh, they left. I don't really care. Whatever. And we got a half moon, so full moon. I guess I'll keep streaming until the full moon. Ah, here's Rex. Hello. Okay. Well, there's a summer frost over here. Hi. Okay. I better pick that up before you get too hot. It is night, but you know, once the daytime comes, it will definitely be too hot. Yeah, I reckon that this past day was quite an interesting thing. You know, we had rain, we had hounds killing this guy because he was AFK for some unknown reason. You can have it as a little challenge, you know, survive with your sanity going down a bit. Oh my god. It's so difficult. But not really. They're not wearing that. Excuse me. Madam, would you please put that on? Don't wanna be too hot now. Okay. What to do now? Much ado about nothing, really. Not much. Eat some meaty stew. Whoa! Get extra mighty. Never ceases to amaze me how Wolfgang just gets so big, mighty, and everything. Put this down. I don't care about it. Oh, and we got some of these used up. Well, that kind of sucks. I guess I'll get some of this. And I guess it might be time for the plants. Man, it really looks like different around here. Maybe it's just my mood. My mood and my tude. And my realization that I don't have much inventory space in the ice box. I don't care about that bird. Doesn't have a good drop. Oh yeah, actually it's really good time to get some grass because, yeah, stuff. I could revive this one, you know, that guy, but again, I just don't really feel like it, you know. It's a little more, adds a little spice to the game, you know. It's like, oh, well, you know, you're gonna get a little spooked from the spooky ghost. Tell you what should be spooked, these damn turkeys. Oh, something burned up. And that did not work. Oh, no, 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 this is my berries. No, dumb bird taking all my berries. I could, like, observe them, but I don't want to move my inventory much. I already did that plenty of times, and it's like, haha, funny, blah, blah. Oh, that was a 3-shot, and that thing, well, was just, well, not really one shot, because I hit it before. Alright, 1, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1. And then these morsels. And then the berries to be in there. Yeah. And this is now run. It's about time. 1, 2, 3. Make some jerky. 4, 5, and 6. Oh, okay, better revive him. Don't I have... I thought I had a thing somewhere. Oh yeah, I think Chester has it. No it does not. Okay. Fine, screw it. Okay, I guess summer frost for you then. Better wear that. And yeah, definitely a good time to eat some that stuff. Yeah, and eat this too. Yeah, get that health back. And oh, more turkey dinner. Right, I forgot about that. Yeah. Oh, right, it's full. You know what? Screw it. I'll eat this. I really don't care. I really don't care. They show up every few days for me. I'm just gonna grab these and then put them into the Flingomatics. Alright, I don't really have time to get to the other one, though. Well, I'll get to the other one, but... Well, I guess I kinda do have enough time. Yeah. And all the berries are regrown, so I better get to them too, yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Dead bird. It's always good to have bird being dead. Okay, throw that thing in there. Fertilize that. And these will need some fertilization. So I will throw that down. Alright, come on, Wolfgang. Gotta go quickly here. Arrgh! It's not the thing to do, sir, please. Well, I got enough of this for another one of those. The full moon, I don't think would be tonight, so I have to head back to the base. Yeah. Yeah, definitely not tonight. It's a half moon. These two back, and one of them. Rex, I hope you're alright there. Oh dear. Ah, damn it. Right. That's what happens, you know. You just can't really explore unless you have a torch. I'll throw this thing into here. There we go. Let's see here. Yeah. That's summer. Wah, 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 wah. Let's see. Put one of these into here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because someone could use these. Okay, and then I don't have any morsels left. I'm just gonna eat this. There, totally fine. Totally better. And grab some of these. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just, yeah, I'll just eat the other two. And then, oh my god, these are spoiled. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh jeez, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh, and then these things. You know what? Okay, hold on to these, and then let's see here. Jump sticks there. I don't really care. And you know what? I'll spread these around. What the hell? Why not, you know? If they burn out, whatever. Turn off. Yeah, because then it doesn't use any power, I guess, in case of emergency or whatever. Yeah. Y'all could just call me Johnny Birchseed. Yeah. Hope you come on back to the base, Rex, because I got some stuff